guys, it is 12:11. I've been up since like 9:15. Got a shower. Been lazy. Went from McCullough, get out of class at 12:50. Then she's coming home. Then we're gonna go to town. So yeah, guess I'll talk to you guys later.
She said, "Do you love me?" I tell her only partly. I only love my pet and my mom. I'm sorry, 50 dub. I even got it. I should stay strong, but I'm weak. And what's wrong with you?
I'm hungry, Mama. I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I don't care. All I know is I'm hungry.
So they say that you live and you live like yeah. She gon' mess with your head, oh yeah. And she'll flirt with your friend, oh yeah. Make you wish you were dead every time. I see your I see your I see your monsters. I see your pain. Tell me your problem.
Why do they call it literacy when it's not even lit?
Alright, you guys, it's 11:19. I am about to go to bed. I have no idea why my fan is making that noise, but it needs to stop. Hang on 1 minute, guys. Hey, Mama. How did you get my fan to stop making that noise? Like that rattling noise. Alright. Okay, guys, Mom's gonna come over with my fan. If you like this video, big thumbs up. Subscribe to me and comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, gym day, week 2.